In 1947, founder Yoshikazu Sakamura started manufacturing and selling wire processing machines. Sakamura Machine manufactures machines called formers that forge materials into various parts. Parts made by our formers are used in automobiles, bridges, buildings, aircraft, bicycles, electrical appliances, and many other parts of our lives. Sakamura is a group company consisting of 11 companies. Among these 11 companies, we have not only former manufacturers, but also tool manufacturers, parts manufacturers, and companies mainly engaged in maintenance and consulting services. We are all working together through open innovation and collaboration. Now, what our customers are asking for is to pack the parts produced by the formers without damaging them. Sakamura has answered and realized this wish from our customers. We create something new to give shape to what is wanted. We support each other to realize our ideals. That is our vision. Creating the future with years of experience and advanced technology. The manufacturing know-how we have inherited from our predecessors. As we value and protect our corporate legacy, we move forward to being a 100-year-old company.